That's what we're going to make today. I'm going to make some earrings using these findings. I got them from Panda something. Can't remember the name of the place. But I'm going to use these beads and some of these, just the black ones, and some seed beads. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and string up a few of these, and then I'll show you how to string one up. And I'll be right back. Okay, I've got almost all of them strung. All I'm doing is taking a black seed bead. It's, I think, a 6. What size? 6? These are 3, I think. It might be 4 millimeter. I think they're 3. I can't read the code on the back. And these are like 10s, 11 seed beads. And all we're doing is stringing them on. And I'm going to cut it about 4 seed beads above where the seed beads are. So I'm going to have to change the battery, I think. I'm going to show you how to do this, and then I'm going to have to change the battery. Just wrap it around. Now, if you have thin wire, you're going to have to wrap it. But seeing where these are, I'm hoping that they're not pulled out, but that's what we're doing. Okay, my battery is at 8%. I'm going to have to change it. But I'm going to go ahead and make all these with the loops on top. And then we'll come back and we'll connect them. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'm going to speed it up. I might not need to speed it up now that I've figured out what I'm doing. I'm used to wrapping instead of coiling, or you know what I mean. Wrapping instead of just making an eye. So I'm going to try to make, unless they're landing on my table. Thinking about making a pair with just wire. Might have to sit down and design it first, though. The only problem with these that I'm finding is you're going to use a lot of head pins. And if you're like me, you don't have that many of them. Which they're not that expensive. And you can make them. What takes the longest is putting those little beads on there. If I wouldn't have got these, reading glasses, I'd still be stringing beads, I think. Some of those holes are little. Alright, we're down to the last one. I've been putting these off because I thought that they would take forever to make, and they're not taking as long as I figured that they would, which I was planning on wrapping them, so. Y'all ready for fall? I sort of am, but I'm definitely not ready for winter. Can't walk in ice. Which last year we didn't have any. Alright. Let's see. We're going to twist it open like that. Okay. I'm gonna string one of these. One of them. One of them. One of them. Then we're going to do 4 seed beads. I've been putting off making these things because I thought they'd be hard, but turns out they're not as hard as what I thought they would be. It's about the size of the 4 seed beads. We're going to cut right here. And we'll have a little tail there. And then all we're going to do is catch the end of it and roll. And have it look like that. And then we take our ear wire Then we take our ear wire and open it up. Take our ear wire and open it up. And hook it. And sort of get it tight there. Now I like to twist, but since these are a little bit further down, they might not catch in your hair. But you'd have to use a whole lot thinner wire to oh, darn, I dropped the bead. Twist it open like that. And try not to let the little seed beads fall off, because that's where I'm having my problem. Already had that one twisted open, huh? Maybe that's why I kept losing them. And there's your earring. There we have our earrings. And you just do the same thing for all 10. You just do a pendant. You might be able to wire a little bead in here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.